To install Node, go to your browser and type nodejs.org. Choose the LTS version. LTS means long-term support, and that means that everybody's installing the same version. Once it's downloaded, open the installer, press continue, put your password if it's required, and press close. To confirm that it's installed correctly, click on the spotlight, write terminal, and write node-b for version. Press enter, and if everything is okay, this version matches this version, and that's how to know that Node is correctly installed.